Settle from A to E, a beginner's guide to crypto trading. YouTube set day. A charismatic host stands in front of a green screen displaying visuals related to cryptocurrency trading. Enthusiastically. Welcome back, fellow traders. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to turn into crypto trading. Let's dive right in. YouTube set day continues. The host begins explaining the steps to achieve this goal. Step 1: research and education. Before you start trading, it's crucial to understand the basics of cryptocurrencies, market trends, and different trading strategies. Knowledge is power. Visually, graphics and charts appear on the green screen, illustrating key concepts. Step 2: choose a reliable exchange. Find a reputable cryptocurrency exchange platform that suits your needs. Ensure it has a user-friendly interface, offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and has robust security measures. On the screen, the host displays examples of popular exchanges and their features. Step 3: start small and diversify. Begin by investing just in a cryptocurrency of your choice. It's essential to diversify your portfolio to minimize risks. Consider investing in established coins as well as promising altcoins. The screen displays a diversified portfolio with different cryptocurrencies. Step 4: set realistic goals and limits. Define your profit targets and stop-loss limits. Don't get greedy or let emotions drive your decisions. Stick to your plan and be disciplined. Graphics on the screen show profit targets and stop-loss limits being set. Step 5: stay informed. Keep up with the latest news, market trends, and developments in the crypto world. This will help you make informed trading decisions. News headlines related to cryptocurrencies appear on the screen. Step 6: practice risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with small investments and gradually increase as you gain experience and confidence. The screen displays a risk management chart and emphasizes the importance of responsible trading. Step 7: learn from mistakes. Trading involves ups and downs. Learn from your losses, analyze your trades, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Continuous improvement is key. Charts showcasing both successful and unsuccessful trades appear on the screen. Step 8: patience and persistence. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your trading portfolio. Stay patient, persistent, and dedicated to your goals. The screen displays motivational quotes and visuals symbolizing perseverance. Step 9: take profits and reinvest. Once you reach your profit targets, don't forget to take some profits off the table. Reinvest a portion of your gains to fuel further growth. The screen shows a trader taking profits and reinvesting in new opportunities. Step 8: track and evaluate. Keep track of your trades, evaluate your performance, and make adjustments as needed. This will help you refine your strategies and achieve better results. The screen shows a trading journal being filled out and analyzed. And there you have it, traders. By following these steps and staying committed, you can turn into it through crypto trading. Remember, it's all about knowledge, patience, and smart decision making. The host concludes the video with an encouraging smile. Thank you for joining me today. Happy trading, and may the crypto gods be with you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more trading tips. Until next time, fade out.